Imagine having an idea that you can't physically realize. Frustrating, isn't it? One of the most important parts of the design process is being able to fully convey a design or engineering idea and then make the right choice for your production. And sometimes it's simply not enough to show a design on screen. At some point, you will need a full-size 1-to-1 scale model to make sure your design looks right, fits right, and even performs right. Based on the world's most accurate and versatile 3D printing technology, the Objet1000 is the system of choice for when you need large, full-scale prototypes with absolutely no compromise on detail or precision. Choose from more than 120 different materials, ranging from opaque shades to full transparency and from rubber-like flexibility to ABS-grade engineering plastic performance. You can even print different material properties in the same model at the same time to achieve the true look and feel of your final product. The system is fast, efficient, and really easy to operate. Providing a fast return on your initial investment, the Objet1000 is ideal for industries that go through many prototype iterations. And whereas other 3D printing technologies must sacrifice accuracy to achieve size, with Objet, big and small prototypes go hand in hand with flawless precision, time and time again. So now, you no longer have to imagine what your full-size product or part will look like. You can see it, feel it, and even functionally test it. And all of this from just a click of a button. The Objet1000. Big models, flawless precision, no compromise.